we are going to be talking about the letter D. We're going to start out with a little video to kind of refresh our memories on the letter D, and then we will talk more about the sound and how to write it, and we'll complete our work for D.
This is the letter D. You can call it a big D or a capital D. There's also a small d, but I like to call it a lowercase d. Here are some words that start with the letter D. Dog, dinosaur, duck, dragon, deer, drum, dolphin. Let's put the words into a story. One day, the dinosaur was having a birthday party with his good friends, duck, dog, deer, and dolphin. The dinosaur had two presents. First, he opened the small present. It was a drum. The next present was very, very big. He opened the present, and out flew a big purple dragon. The duck played music on the drum, so the dinosaur and dragon could dance. The end.
All right. So that was all about the letter D. And D says D. D says D. It is a consonant, which means it only makes one sound. I heard several D words in that little video. I heard duck and dog and deer and dolphin. That's what's on our letter card for the letter D, is a D, D, dog. Let's see if you remember our alpha friend for the letter D. Here he is. Do you remember his name? His name is Dudley Duck. Dudley and duck start with that D, D, D sound. And if you look on the back of Dudley, his body and his head and neck are shaped like a lowercase d. You can still kind of see it even though it's not printed over top of him on the back. We are going to do some extra practice with the letter D. You need to get this paper out of your packet. And you're going to need a pencil. You can get your name on the top, just somewhere up here in the white space. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is practice writing the uppercase D. So I want you to watch me do that first, okay? Uppercase D goes big line down, back to the top, big curve to the bottom. I didn't do a very good job staying on the dotted line. Let's try that again together. Big line down, back to the top, big curve to the bottom. Alright, we're going to practice some uppercase D's on our own on this line. So we're going to go big line down, back to the top, big curve to the bottom. Big line down, back to the top, big curve to the bottom. Uppercase D goes all the way from that top line down till it touches the bottom line. Alright, now we're going to come down and we're going to do lowercase d. Watch me do it first. Lowercase d goes around like a C, up and down. Let's trace that together. Around like a C, up and down. Now we're going to make some on our own. Around like a C, up and down. Around like a C, up and down. Around like a C, up and down. Lowercase d is a tall lowercase letter, so the curved part like a C stays under the middle line, but when you make that line up, it goes all the way to the top. And then right back down. Alright, we're going to look at these pictures at the bottom, and we're going to color the pictures that begin with the D sound. What is the D sound? D says D, 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 just like in duck. So I'm going to tell you the names of these pictures, and then you're going to go back on your own, and you're going to color the things that begin with the D sound. We've got sun, dog, door, fish, duck, dolphin, deer, and jet. I want you to go through those and only color the pictures where you hear a D sound, D, at the beginning of the word. If you do not hear a D sound, you are not going to color it, and you can put an X on it too. And then we'll talk about another letter tomorrow. See you later.